Doge broke a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching the video. If you're interested in free trade updates as well as free technical analysis updates in terms of all of your favorite charts, check out the link in the bio. Join our community. We're pushing nearly 2,600 members. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's been a week since I have uploaded a video. I was, of course, in the hospital doing some injections for my lower back. I do feel much better now. So ideally, what we are looking forward to on Doge is that you can see that we have broken above our exponential moving averages as support, as well as a crucial resistance here at 0.218. For those of you that have been watching the Telegram channel and of course are a part of it, we are expecting the market to squeeze in terms of altcoins, with Ethereum leading the way. But there's a few things that we have to keep in mind for Doge. Number one is, of course, the fact that we just simply completed a massive W formation. A lot of folks are going to be looking for a continuation trade on Doge, but we have to be patient with these setups. The next wick is, of course, looking at 0.226, a break above that zone, and we can take a long position at least into the top of the move set, which of course remains to be at 0.232. And if we do see a squeeze from there, the next move set, of course, is going to be around 0.247. Now, before we jump ahead, there's a few things that we have to keep in mind in terms of the daily interval. Now, the daily time frame, of course, is very important because it tells you whether or not in the medium term we are looking for longs or shorts. And you can see that as of right now, we have seen a very nice breakout opportunity above the EMAs. But again, remember, when we are looking for a breakout trade or a momentum trade, the first step is to break the EMAs, which of course has been done. This next step is to hold the exponential moving averages as support, then break the previous wick high, and then you have that momentum trade setup. So right now we are waiting on step number 2 to see whether or not we can actually hold above the 0.218. And of course, if we are looking for any sort of manipulation wicks, will we see the exponential moving averages hold? That's ideally what I'm looking for in terms of a swing setup, in terms of Doge, even in a buying opportunity. Or of course, we get that wick break for a scalp position at 0.226 into the rally of 0.232. But you can see that as of right now, even on the 4-hour interval, we are in extreme overbought conditions, and we still have not yet seen in Asia hours whether or not we can close above 0.218. We don't necessarily want to be looking for long positions in this current wick setup right here, because again, the market can easily see a drop back down into the EMAs, trap those late longs, and then see the market squeeze above. And that's exactly why I'm warning you guys to just simply wait for the wick break at around the 0.226 to enter the Doge trade setup. Now, just speaking about Doge in general from a longer perspective, although we have a very nice V-shaped formation looking to play out on the 4-hour as well as on the daily, although now that we have completed the W formation, we still have to understand that Doge is still in a much larger consolidation. If I were to zoom out on the chart here, you can see that yes, Doge as of right now does look good in terms of a breakout trade from the longer perspective, but there's still quite a few hurdles that we have to get across. The main hurdle, of course, remains to be at the 31 cents. I've talked about this level multiple times. This is the last remaining resistance for Doge, and you can see there's a huge gap here at from 0.31 to around the 0.34. That, of course, if we do end up seeing that break, we are going to see that momentum squeeze. And this is pretty much why I'm warning you guys, just be patient with Doge and its current setups, because you don't want to jump too fast, because Doge is one of those coins that is quite unforgiving. So instead, we're just going to simply wait for the 4-hour interval and the wick break on that setup, or of course seeing whether or not we can actually hold above the exponential moving averages on the daily time frame to enter the long position on Doge. I will keep you guys posted in Telegram as always, but that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading books, make sure to check out the bio because that works.